how to add your political views to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK and then click on your profile top corner and click these 3 points. Now click edit profile, then scroll down and click beliefs, and here we'll find political views. Click on it and select any political views here and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.